systems are go. We're about 90 seconds from the launch of Space Shuttle Discovery.
When did I want to become an astronaut?
Minus 60 seconds and counting.
When I saw for the very first time, walked outside, and I was just enthralled by all these magical twinkling things that I could see up in the sky. And I knew that I needed to get up there and visit them.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station, paving the way for future missions beyond.
I just dreamed of being an astronaut, getting into space, into a spaceship, and rocketing up into the sky and feeling weightlessness and the Earth's atmosphere, and I could just picture it. But it was not meant to be. I was not good enough. They would not let me be part of the space team. I couldn't do it. And I had to give up on my dream. But then one day, I knew what I had to do. I knew that I was to become a teacher and create the most amazing space team the world has ever seen. My life had purpose once more. You guys ready?
Yes, Space Master!
Are you ready to go to a spaceship?
Yes, Space Master!
Are you ready to do teamwork?
Yes, Space Master!
Alright, let's do this, people! Go, go, go! I wanna be on a space team.
I want to be on a space team.
Driving spaceships is my dream.
Driving spaceships is my dream. Come on, blackjack party!